Come here. Come. We will start from the filtration devices and filtration, and then go over to see different type of drippers line, valves, of course, monitoring, and then we will go to the field. Anyway, the media filters based on mushroom or PVC or polyethylene mushroom or caps, what we say. There is holes here. We can define the grade. In this case, it will be 120 mesh. And the functionality is that those valves located here, they do have double purpose. Once they permit a situation of filtration, which means that the valve is open, the water goes down and straight to the field. When time is come, okay, the media, which is usually sand or gravel, it's blocked because of the dirty. This valve, located here, change position. It go down instead of up. Okay, the same valve. Okay, by hydraulic order, and the water which comes from these two filters, which is filtered water, very clean water because they are already past the filtration, come and go up and clean the media. So actually, it's called 2 clean 1. Actually, we are cleaning all the media with filtered water. The water are clean. We are not using to the backflash. It's called backflash. The process called backflash. We are not making the backflash with dirty water, only with filtered water. So this is the process here. In between, we have a few things that I want you to know about it. First, the hair valve over there. Okay, since the pumps are bring water with air, we have to release the hair, and that's what these valves are doing. So it's mandatory to have air valve in the system. Second, we have here a valve with pilot. I will explain over there, but this valve with pilot regulates the pressure, so we can control the pressure which coming in. Okay, and of course we can close and open it as a normal valve, but the reason that the pilot is right here means that we control the pressure perfectly. And there is something which missing here, should be here. It's a flow rate regulator valve to control the flow rate for the backflash, not for the filtration. So you see, we are talking about two positions that this filter has. One position, filtering, just filtering. It's working to filter the water, to protect the system. The second position is the backflash, okay, to clean the filter. These two positions we are doing with the same water, but filtered water. So from my point of view, we are missing here some hydraulic valves to regulate the flow rate, which is designed for this kind of diameter of filter. This is 30 inches, and for each 60, 20, 24, 30, 36, for each filter we have other different recommendations for the flow rate. Another thing is the hydrocyclone, as you can see here. Okay, unfortunately it's not open, but anyway, if I can control the pressure, this is the inlet, the pressure which comes from here, and the outlet, and I can control it by valve to make delta P of 5 meters, which is 0.5 bar, I will create here circulation. This circulation permitted that the sand, this is sand separator. There is no any element inside, not element. I can make the circulation will create some pole or of sand which will go to the tank, and from time to time we open it and clean it. Okay, but this is in order, this functionality of the hydrocyclone or sand separation based to remove iron and sand. Okay, good.
Teacher,
Yes.
is the same the filtration, like?
No, it's not the same. This is media. This is full with media, gravel or gravel or volcanic or sand. Okay, and this doesn't have anything inside. It doesn't have any elements, and the element here is the media. You will see another filter, which is other concepts. Okay, now usually, just to protect that the sand will not run away and to make sure that the system working well, we have a screen filter in the outlet over there, as you can see. But this seal filter serves as control, just to verify that the media are not running to the system. But if we are working with the right pressure here, and if we are working with the right fluid here, there is no reason to lose the media. Okay? Yes.
The filter looks like this one is showers in the glass.
Yes.
Which contains the sand. It's not this one.
No, this one. It's media. It's the sun. This one. Yeah. It's empty now, just for demonstration. But yeah, that's include the sand. Yeah. This is for sand. And this one is the screen one. That one. I will not open it, but you can believe me that there is screen inside, just to verify that we are not using material. Now this is a very, very classic head system, okay, that we are recommending. It's almost completely, as you can see here, we can measuring the pressure. Okay, usually from 2 points before and after filtration. If I will put it here, if I will put a tube here connected to here, so I can measuring the pressure here. I can measuring the pressure here, which come to from here, for example. There is a tube which missing, but anyway, this three-way valve allow me to measuring pressure in 2 or 3 places. 1, the same here, 1 and 2. This is for release.
This comes from here.
Yes. Okay. So if this comes to here from here, what does it mean? We are measuring the pressure after the filtration. And if this comes from here, what does it mean? We are measuring before the filtration. This what we call delta P. Okay, the difference between the inlet and the outlet pressure. All of this go to here. You see, backflash control. This backflash control, I can set up the time to tell him that when the difference in the pressure, let's say it's 1 bar, start the process. Okay? And I can also tell him to give some backup, saying that if there is no any backflash during the last 4 hours, make it by time.
It's automation system.
Huh?
It's automation system.
Yes, yes. There is battery here. There is battery here that is missing, and we can fix it. And of course, it could be this is for 20 milliampere. We can connect it to a computer and to see, as I do in myself, in my system, I can see everything here in myself every minute during the day. Okay, so it's transmitting as well. But anyway, the idea is that first the principle should be that the cleaning, the backflash must be automatic. Okay, we are not staying here overnight. We are not staying here during the day, so it must be automatic, and that's what we are doing. Okay, now once we finish with this filtration, which is the most important part in drip irrigation, then we can see the other devices that pass the monitoring the system. Yes, yes.
What things which
This is, this is special inlet and outlet to take or to inject fertilizer or chemicals or any kind of it's a facility. It's a facility just for use. That's
You
it.
mean this is the inlet?
Yeah. Yeah. You can take water from here. You can inject water from it. Depends what you want to do.
If you add some fertilizer, the pressure will not change.
No, the filtration will be controlled by other devices, not by this one. This is only for backwash. Only.
Question.
Yeah.
We add fertilizers before filtration or after?
What is the fertilizer after the filtration? Okay. It's a good question because the fertilizer has their own filter, so it's already comes protected. But we are injecting after the filtration.
Yes, it says how much for 1 cent.
This one,
Yes, 1 cent.
this is, you know what is solenoid?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is timer.
Yeah.
Now, the timer can communicate only by electrical orders with solenoid. But if I'm taking water here, see here, and let it outside, I can control hydraulically the valves. You see, this valve must have some order to change position between filtration and backflash. What will be the order for it? Hydraulic order. So the solenoid change electrical order to hydraulic order. Okay? I'm bringing water to here and I take it from here, and once it changes position by this control, okay, then I can control hydraulically the valves. These valves usually we control hydraulic. There is also valves, you will see later on, that they got their own solenoid, so I can order electrical and not hydraulic. But anyway, we cannot use this one without. And why we have three?
Yeah.
Each for each filter. Okay, each filter needs to have its own solenoid. And we have three positions: automatic, open, and close. I can change the position here. Usually it's an automatic. So this connected. I connect this one to here.
Yeah.
Okay, I bring water. I bring water to here, and from here it goes to the valve.
I
That's
want
the
to
way.
know, it says how much?
Money.
How much?
How much money?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sir,
It's
question.
2,000 shekel.
Sir,
Yes. I'm very interested to the system and maybe I want to buy it also.
Wonderful. You can buy in it a film. Yes, of course. I don't know prices.
Now?
I used to work in the 80s in a film, but now, and that was 43 years ago. So the price has been changed.
Yeah. Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
If example the one that control the
valve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, if there's one malfunctioning,
Yes.
it's what do you call this? It's there will be an what do you call this? There will be if this is the one that is malfunctioning,
Yes.
the tank is not working also, or they're working.
No. What, that one, this solenoid, okay, has two positions, open and closed.
Yeah, close.
Now, when it will be open,
Yeah.
okay, the water which comes to here will go to the valve and change position of the valve. And when it will be open or closed, when the control will tell it. Okay, the control.
That's the main controller.
Yeah, for bed flash, not for the whole irrigation system. There is controller for the whole irrigation system.
Before to go, there is no non-return valve around this filter. Non-return valve.
Non-return valve, we do have. It should be right after the pump. We do have, but not here. From here, you see, we go to the water meter. Now,
Question.
yes,
Before to go, let us suppose these systems it operates under the here,
yes,
and we pump the water up the here.
yeah.
When we cross the pressure at the, up the here,
Yeah.
it means the water which are in the here it turn.
Yes,
turn.
by gravity.
Yeah, by gravity. It can enter in the filter.
If the valve is open, yes. There is a valve over there. If the valve is open, yes. The system will work. If you don't have water, just close the valve over there. So the water will stay on the tube. Okay. Guys, you are interested to see a few things here? Or you tired?
Teacher,
Okay.
this system is built for small area or big area. If I grow for maybe 1 hectare or 10 dönum, is
Only for a company, I think you can use all.
No, I will explain. This backup or backflash control has nothing to do with the size of the field. You can have 1,000 hectares.
1,000 hectare.
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything. This comes according to the number of the filters that you have.
The number of
The
filter.
If now I have only 3, so that probably will be 4, because we have 2, 4, 8, 12, 16. Each filter needs to have output here, and each filter needs to have solenoid. So it's belong only to the filtration system, nothing to do with the size of the company.
It means one filter. We have to have it one, right?
Yes. If, for example, if we have here like 6 filters, 6,
Six.
we will see here 6 solenoids.
Six solenoid.
That should be ready for 6. Now it's only for 4. Okay?
Yeah, I get it.
So
We can use only with this system, right?
yes. Actually, when you use this filtration system, you must have this control.
And how about the system with this?
How?
And there's another system with we use with
Yeah, it's independent. I mean, this can serve for any kind of filters because it's independently. It's something that you set up the time or the delta P, and the order goes. By the way, you asked me before. You see, this outlet comes from after this filter, just to make sure that the water that comes here, okay, it's filtered.
Solenoid. Teacher, is controlled by Wi-Fi, like connect by Wi-Fi or mobile phone?
Yeah,
like
there is
that?
devices that controlled by Wi-Fi. Yes.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, mine is controlled by Wi-Fi. Yeah. But it's another controller. Now, what I'm doing right now, trying to teach you the principles, how the functionality, what the devices that we need for the system, and why we need these devices, and how it works.
Yes.
But you can choose other equipment with Wi-Fi, with the Bluetooth, or whatever.
It depend on the buyer to reach.
Yes, depends on the buyer needs. Absolutely.
Teacher,
Thank you.
Yes.
how can I buy it?
Huh?
How can I buy it?
Just make
From
it.
now.
Yeah, you can just communicate till when you are here. Are you leaving in September, October?
October.
Maybe I will for the next week. Okay, I will give you some contacts because I used to work many years overseas, not in Israel. So I don't know the people that selling here, but I can find out. And for the next week, next meeting, I will give you some contact person, and you can buy from him. He probably will be sales guy from the film.
Okay.
Or maybe we will ask here in the office. Maybe it's an office. Good.